First of all, you have to search for Flutter SDK. Now, go to this first URL and click on Windows option and then Android. Now here you can see some Android requirements. In this video, I am showing you how to download Flutter using VS Code. Now let's go to my VS Code, opening my terminal, and here Flutter new project. Now, if you already have your Flutter, then this will here you can click on locate, but I am not having Flutter already downloaded, so I am clicking on download SDK. Now, click on this download SDK button. Here you have to select the folder where you want to download Flutter. Now, here I am using dev folder. One thing keep in your mind that don't clone it in your programs folder, program 64 folder, anywhere. You must have to create a dev name folder in your C. This will take few minutes to download. Let's wait for this. Everything gets completed, you will see this type of window where you can create an application directly from there. But I am not creating. Just close this window, minimize this, and go to your terminal. Here you have to write Flutter Docker. Now it will show you something which is already available, which is new. Here I am saying Android Studio is not available in my device. So let's go to download Android Studio. Now just click on this option and done. It starts downloading. Now after installing Android Studio, you can see this here. I'm not creating any application for Windows, so this is okay. I'm okay with it. I'm going to Visual Studio Code for creating a new project in Flutter. Just click Ctrl Shift P and then create Flutter new project application. Now here I have to choose where I want to create my project. I'm selecting this. Okay, enter. And that's it. You have downloaded everything you need to start working on your Flutter project. Thank you.